Good morning, everybody. I'm Dan Sanders with RE Sanders Plumbing and Heating, and today we are going to be installing a tankless Aquaflow RO system for a point of use. So today we're going to be installing the system, the wiring, the drainage piping, and the water supply piping. This particular model, we're actually going to install a water selector, so there's no need for a second pesky faucet hanging around the kitchen sink taking up space. It will be able to flow right through the standard kitchen sink faucet at the point of a button. So with that being said, we'll tie in and we'll start getting in here and getting it installed. All right, so here we are at the first step, which is getting power to where we're going to be installing our tankless RO system. So in this particular application, we don't have any receptacles close, so what we had to do was tie in to the circuit for the dishwasher. So we pull the dishwasher out, put a junction box in, and then we tie power in, and we will have a receptacle installed down here to power our tankless RO system. So we're coming to the end of our install of the tankless RO system. So here you can see our RO is installed. We have our power coming in over here, wrapping around to supply this with incoming power. We have an add-on tank since we decided to do the faucet built in. So this just provides a little bit of extra pressure until the pump comes on and takes over. So we have our discharge drain line coming in, tying into the existing drain line. We have intersected our domestic cold water and ran it through our selector. So under normal load, as you turn the faucet on, we're just running on domestic cold water. When the button is pushed, which we mounted under here, you can watch as the faucet comes on. And as the pressure changes, we're drawing water from this tank for the little bit of delay until the pump comes on and starts putting pressurized RO water to the faucet. And as you can see, the pump's coming on, our pressure increases, and we have RO filtered water right at our kitchen faucet. So if you're done with it, you can either turn the RO off, or you can simply turn the faucet off. When the faucet's turned off, the system will reset and it defaults back to domestic water. And that concludes the installation of our Aquaflow tankless RO system.